Welcome to Cyber Theo. Today, we'll quickly explore which phones offer the best video quality in just 60 seconds. First, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra stands out with 8K video recording at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. It has a 200MP main camera, providing stunning video clarity and advanced stabilization. Amateur photographer, Techipedia. Next, Sony Xperia 1V. The Sony Xperia 1V is a top choice for professional videographers. It supports 4K HDR recording at up to 120 frames per second with advanced manual controls and stabilization features. Videomaker, amateur photographer. Finally, Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 15 Pro Max excels with its 48MP main camera and ProRes video recording. It's perfect for both professionals and enthusiasts looking for high-quality, reliable video. Videomaker, Techipedia. And there you have it. The top phones for the best video quality. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber Theo.